Welcome, I'm AJ, and this is on Magic and Folklore. Welcome to On Folklore and Magic. Today we're doing a 5-minute meditation for beginners. Meditation is important to magic work in that it helps us to focus our mind and be in the present. Very useful when doing spell work. But you can use this for any aspect of your life. Meditation helps you to stay present even in the worst moments. It is, however, hard to get the hang of. If you have ADHD or nervous disorders where movements are involuntary, it may be difficult to sit still. You can use fidget devices if necessary. Try to keep the noise as minimal as possible if you're doing it in a group. If you're by yourself, whatever you do is whatever you do. Contrary to popular belief, clearing the mind completely is not something that is intended in meditation. Being present is. Being in the moment, mindful of what is around you, yourself, all things. What you want is to be here completely, at least for the next 5 minutes. If your mind wanders, bring it back to focus with breath. Counting your breath is a good way of doing this. Count 1 to 10, repeat. If your mind does wander, don't beat yourself up over it. You're going to have these moments when your mind will wander. Even the most ardent, meditative people, their minds do wander. They don't beat themselves up, they just get back to the present. Allow whatever it is that you're seeing, hearing, smelling to completely wash over you and get back to your breath. Okay. We're going to get ready to start now. So sit in a comfortable position. If sitting isn't good for you and you have to lay down, do so. And if you fall asleep, that's okay too. I'm going to ring 3 bells at the beginning to start our session. And then at the end, I'll ring 3 bells again to end it. Let's get started. Now that you've completed this basic meditation, what do you think? Was it harder or easier than you thought it would be? How did it make you feel? All of this write down in your journal and try different places to see how you feel in those settings. The more present you are in your life, the better you'll be able to make good decisions in any situation. For magic, it helps greatly with rituals and spells. Use this before and after practice. It helps to ease in and ease out of the ritual. Also, try to eat something and have a drink of water or tea afterwards. I'd like to thank you for joining me today. Please take care.